straight shavers. Yeah, I hope so. So what we doing today? So just got out the shower, fixed that hair. Got another razor I just got in. We're gonna do a little shave. Didn't think about shaving, wasn't thinking about shaving, so I went ahead and grabbed the synthetic brush and the soak long. It's the Hulk by Razor Rock, which I really enjoy. Barry sent it to me with Texan shaves. So I'm gonna go with it. Out of all my synthetic brushes, that's probably one of my top that I like. Soap's gonna be same soap that I will not mention in testing. It's completely changed. Scent profile, I'm gonna see what the lather does, but the scent smells completely different it did 4 days ago. So, which is what I was expecting. Probably be a month or so before I list it. I have some things I'm waiting on, but anyway, so you can see the artwork at the top. That's what it looks like. The razor is a Drew Dick 7/8. So I went back and forth on that. So my last video, I'll say I always test the owner's edge. Not that my edge is any better. So this edge, I could not get it to HHT or peanut. So, and that may have been, he shave test all his, so maybe after the shave test, something happened in transit. I don't know. But anyway, Rob had one similar he got from Drew Dick, and he said it shaved great, you know. But I'm just not gonna, every shave is worth it to me. I enjoy them, so I'm just gonna go, I just don't hone it on my own edge. So this edge was honed up to 10K on Rock Stars, because I started from the bevel up, reset it, and then it's finished on Olympus. So we'll see how that does. The razor is beautiful. The geometry is excellent. I couldn't ask for a better presentation of a custom razor ordered. Not all shave ready presentations is the same for each person and owner. So I mean, our standards move is what I'm saying. So now it's to my standards. So that's what we're gonna shave with. I have a scuttle warmed up, but I'm a bowl lather because I'm still testing this lather. I'll load the brush, not bowl lather, tub lather, and we'll go from there. I'll just set the brush in the warm bowl. The scent profile is nothing like the first shave. Completely changed. This brush is like a 36 millimeter. It is an animal. I'm a big dude with a big head, and it covers up a lot of my head. I'm gonna just run a little bit, so I got some hot water in my scuttle. This soap, absolutely. You know, I tinkered with my last soap, Daiquiri Shack, to get it to try to blow up a little bit more what people like, and maybe compromise my standards on straight razor shaving to get more fluffiness to the lather. But this one here, I tinkered again, but I'm erred to the caution of tallow, more tallow versus something else. And so far, holy shit, this thing is taking some water. I'm very impressed with it. That's all the lather I need. I'm already got more lather than I need. I'm losing glasses. Like I said, honed up on a synthetic progression to 10K in Olympus. So we'll see. This razor is a half hollow Sheffield type. I got 3 days growth. Thing about a razor that's not as thin is difficult to HHT. So, but it was HHT 5 when I finished come up Olympus. And the sturdiness, the sturdiness of a half hollow is nice. It plows. All right, we had a little, hey, I'm back. We had a little trouble with the phone mount. I just need to really get another one. I like the heft of this razor a lot. Tang is real thick, which is a pain in the ass to get used to honing, but once you get used to it, it's not too bad. Nice heft. Like I said, it feels almost like a wedge. It has a little hollow to it, but it's got a really, it's a heavy grind. Which to me makes you feel like you have more security than a really thin hollow razor, like maybe like a Philly. All right, we're gonna wash our face. So my partner in crime, who is helping me design this soap, is exactly what we wanted. It is completely the fragrance is like it's in what we want to try to do. Crazy how it changes once it blooms. All right. It was a long day. Working in the yard. Some electrical work I had to do. That one had to cook for a birthday party, so I'm gassed. Trying to maintain that low. Low as angles I can. The razor's really keen. There's no reason to get aggressive. Use a high angle. None. All that'll cause is some kind of issue. I'm really liking this razor. I really am. It's a Sheffield type. We call it a barber's notch. Well done, Drew. The length of edge is, as always, not a real loud razor because it's a half hollow. I mean, I really like this razor. I'm really liking the grind and the feel of it. I don't know. Let me see if I'm even gonna go against the grain. I am ready to shut this down. shave was, no, I'm gonna go against grain. Over here, just gonna make it last. Great brush, great fragrance. It's not a dupe, it's a custom fragrance as requested by somebody. Something took me a couple months to figure out, but and when I made the soap, I was wondering if, man, did I miss something? And that's the nuances of making a soap. So unless you put it up and let it age, so I had tried fragrances for this soap a couple times. And as the old boy who I was working with, I thought I just didn't like it. Just didn't like it. Wasn't matching what I was trying to do. But who knows if I'd have let it sit, if I could have achieved what I wanted. Because now that this has been 4 or 5 days, everything changed. Thing about a razor like this, when it's really, really keen, sometimes you can't feel it because it's too late. It doesn't talk to you like a poly around does. But the weight and the heft, ooh, that's a good shave. The heft, if you get while it's in your hand, is kind of fun as for basically a razor, a whisker slayer, you know, it's just getting after it. So I'll get and start washing my brush. As for aftershave, it's gonna be another boring one, like the same as 2 shaves ago. I'm gonna go with the same aftershave that matches our after sauce, this soap. Shake well, stir up the goodies. So got some soap in that beard. Well, we'll put on star jelly, but I don't think I need it. May give me a little squirt of this EDP, just so I smell good when I wake up in the morning. This is Cremo. I like Cremo. That one's I think bourbon and oak. Anyway, simple scents like that really is in my wheelhouse. So the razor, Drew Dick 7/8 Sheffield, smaller razor with a barber's notch. Half holla, quarter holla, something like that. He goes a half holla. Ain't much holla to it though. Looks like a wedge, shaves like a wedge. But eventually I better hone on it on the spine, not unlike a wedge. The soap. So y'all seen it before. It's one of my new favorites. Clean that. The scuttle, PAA scuttle. Didn't use it much, but I do keep my soap warm in between passes with my brush. At least I ain't got a whole lot of gas tonight to entertain you, but I did catch the shave. I may not post it, I may. There's been some good content last couple of days. Greg Gallant, Devin, Sean, Rob, Josh did a live. A lot of good stuff. You'll go check them out. As for me, I'm thoroughly happy with the razor I purchased from Drew Dick. The edge that I put on today was fabulous. Felt real good. The razor is very, the geometry on it is perfect. Don't have to do any adjustments. Honed up like a dream. So, no complaints, good shave. Appreciate y'all joining me. This is Eric, this is my channel, Cajun Blade, and y'all stay classy, baby.